So my garden is looking so good. Look at this. We got peas that are 2 feet tall, or I guess. They've got blooms coming out, which means peas soon. Carrots still going crazy down there. We got tomatoes that are growing. More peas down there getting really tall. And these tomatoes all growing and getting strong. Look at them, man. They're happy. Even my little ones are trying to come along. And there's a big one. And the cucumbers, they're doing pretty good. A couple of them even trying to move some little blooms on there. Little blooms, early blooms on some cucumbers. We got more peas that are doing that. We have got more peas getting tall there. Tomatoes, look at that big tomato down there. Whee! And he's getting big. My mint's doing great. Just an excellent garden. My onions are growing over there. So let me tell you about what happened here. See this bag of, a half bag of mulch? Well, it tore one day about 2 or 3 weeks ago when we were moving it. The end tore, but it was a full bag. So they were going to cut the grass, and somebody threw it over here on this bark right here. Well, I came over here to get it and started to open it and put get some of the mulch out, and well, there was red ants galore in it, and there were teeny tiny little black ants. I had to pour some of it, what I poured out right here, I had to put ant killer on here. Then I just poured some ant killer down in the bag. See it in there? I don't know what's happening with this bag, but I know that I hate that I had to put poison right here where it might run down into my garden, but maybe it won't go very far into it. And this mulch will definitely go over here, maybe on this side where I'll put it, probably right there, because I've got poison in it. So when I get this cleaned up, that bag's gonna go there. These other two, I hope they don't have ants in them, and they'll be finishing up this right here. So then today we had field day for my 3rd grade grandson, so that's what all that is. It was fun. And then show you something else I've been doing. Here's my field day garb. So come over here. I have used my handy dandy little hoe here, dug out a bunch of dirt right here with my 15-year-old grandson, almost. He's almost 15. And we planted, you see all these little sticks? We planted bulbs, gladiolus bulbs, lilies, and cafe late something, I don't know, they're gladiolus too, I think. And then we put bark down. So everywhere there's a stick, there's a bulb. 5 inches deep. We had to dig holes 5 inches deep. And we had to pull out a bunch of grass. It looked like this. So we had to dig out all the grass, but it was tall grass. And now, coming around here on the front of the porch steps, other steps, this is our side porch. And there's my pretty things. And look at my pretty red planter up there. Caleb and I, the youngest, we planted those. We painted those planters, that one and a green one out front. So now I gotta dig up this dirt area, and we're gonna plant some flowers. Ow, bug got me. Plant some flowers back here along this wall. And here, and we're gonna bark it under there some more. Bark it out here. Bark to about right, I guess even with the steps right there. So that'll be a tomorrow project, I guess. All right, bye.